Jesus freak here. Now, I know some people think I might have an extreme sense of morality. There's two standards that I live by. The first is if you break it, you bought it. The second is the store isn't responsible for your damage to your goods once you paid for it. Now, some stores will be willing to bend this. And even if, oh, you don't make it out of the store with your stuff, they'll replace it for you. I said, look, I have standards when it comes to this stuff. See, when I was a kid, I used to shoplift. I stopped doing that. And perhaps as a reaction, I've gotten pretty extreme. To me, if I put something in a bag or a pocket that I've not paid for, even if I fully intend to pay for it, I've still already shoplifted. That's not the situation I ran into yesterday, though. Here's what happened. I checked out my groceries at the store, and because I don't want to waste people's time, and of course, this totally backfired. I don't want to waste people's time, so I tried to get stuff off the checkout as quickly as possible to make room for the next person. And I smashed in the process a jar of salsa that I bought. Now they were going to go get me a new one. I said, no, I don't want to wait in line to check out again. They said, no, we mean we'll replace it for free. I said, I'm not a thief. I won't let you do that. You see, to me, as soon as I paid for that jar of salsa, it was not their responsibility. And I refused to let them take responsibility for something that was my responsibility. Because that goes against my standards. They were so insistent that I wound up saying, look, first, if you bring me a replacement, I'm not going to take it. And second, I said, you might not consider me a thief if I do that. But God will. Now, I know I can be extreme. But I have standards. And I live by them. And I try to be consistent. You see, they might be willing to bend right and wrong to help a customer. But I didn't want them to bend the rules. As far as I'm concerned, theft is theft. And shoplifting is shoplifting. And destroying groceries, destroying goods is what it is. I'm like, don't think about it. A few years ago, I destroyed a bottle of conditioner I was going to buy. I told the cashier to ring it up twice. I don't know if they even thought about what I was doing. It was just a matter of, if you break it, you buy it, well, here, ring it up twice. One of them covers the one I dropped. I don't know if that was their store policy or not. But that'll allow them to, sync up their numbers at the end of the day. Because if those numbers don't check out, someone's going to get reamed for it. And in my opinion, the only person who should have gotten reamed for it in any sense was the person responsible. Me. But that's just how I am. I'm not going to let anyone else do something I think is immoral to benefit me. Because then two people have done wrong. Them for committing the act, and me for not stopping them. That's why I refuse so strongly to let them replace the jar of salsa. Now, I also stood around while they cleaned it up because I wanted to make sure that it was taken care of, because I understood that not the glass wasn't the only issue there. The glass wasn't the only thing that could have hurt people, because the salsa was ghost pepper salsa. If someone had unintentionally touched it and, or rubbed their eyes would have been burning for a long time. So I said, I need to make sure they're aware, if they don't, if, any of it's still there, then it could lead to unintentional issues. Beyond the fact that I broke a jar and there were glass shards. But the sum is, I don't care if your corporate allows you to bend the rules to help me. I consider wrong to the point that I'm not going to let you help me do something I think's wrong. my morality is such that I think that if something's wrong, if it's wrong for me to do something, then it's twice as wrong for you to do something for me that's wrong. Because it's wrong for you to do it and it's wrong for me to let you do it. I have to stop you. And I did. Jesus, freak out.